2 years ago in Qatar, Argentina and France played what many call the greatest World Cup final ever. 3 goals each, extra time, penalties, Messi versus Mbappe. The whole world stopped watching. And now, the bracket is saying it could happen again, on July 19th, in New York. Let's break down exactly how. Argentina and France are currently the 2 favorites to reach the final. Oddsmakers have both as the most likely finalists, and the numbers are moving in their favor every single day. Here is Argentina's road. They face Cape Verde in the round of 32 on July 3rd in Miami. After that, round of 16 in Atlanta, quarterfinal in Kansas City. Their most dangerous opponent along the way? Portugal. Messi versus Ronaldo in the quarterfinals. That alone is a video on its own. But here is the key. Because of how FIFA has structured the bracket, Argentina and France cannot meet before the quarterfinals, and most likely they won't meet until the final itself. The bracket has kept them apart, on opposite sides, like it was designed for a rematch. Now France. France won Group 1, sweeping all 3 matches. Their path goes through Sweden in the round of 32, then potentially Germany or Netherlands. A brutal bracket, but this French squad has Mbappe, has depth, has experience. They are not scared of anyone. France currently sit at plus 210 odds to reach the final. Argentina at plus 230. No other team is close. So here is the question everyone is asking. Can the 2022 final happen again? The math says yes. The bracket says yes. The form of both teams says yes. July 19th, New York. Messi versus Mbappe. Argentina versus France. The World Cup was built for this moment.